Hi, I'm Christy with WTI, and I have a bit of a confession to make. I'm a sucker for fried foods. I know it's not exactly healthy, but they're delicious. So I absolutely love this Cuisinart fryer. It's really simple to use, which I appreciate. Any appliance that doesn't require you to go through a giant manual to figure it out. You have a temperature gauge on the front that goes from 175 to 375, a little light here that lets you know when it's on, and the green light will tell you when it's heated up to your desired temperature, a timer, a fill line inside so you know exactly where you need to fill your oil. A little frying tip that I have learned is that if you place whatever you're frying in individual pieces instead of in the whole basket, they will not stick to the basket when you go to dump your food onto a plate or whatever. So it does the job. It will fry all your food to perfection, and I think you're gonna love it. And that's my point of view.